What is up, everybody? Today we're making a custom hydraulic line. So I'm going to teach you or walk you through the steps to get this thing done. Just a quick background before we get started. So this is my 91 MR2, I have an LSX in it, and it is attached to a Porsche Boxster S transaxle. So this is what makes this difficult. We're going from, I believe it was an 8mm hard line to it was an M12 on the transmission slave. So let's see what we have to do to make that happen. Alright, let's get started by discussing what I'm looking at with my car. So this is my 6mm hard line that uses off the original clutch master cylinder, which I need to convert to an adapter to then run into the AN4 line, which I got right here, which will then run and go into the slave cylinder, which pretty obvious is this is not going to fit inside of there. So here's what we ended up with on the parts list. This is a double flare joint, which I could not find anywhere, and luckily came across this on Amazon. Link will be in the description. So where this goes, right onto the hard line, this is a M12 by 1 connector. From here, this is where the adapters come into play. This is a AN4 fitting to an M12 by 1.0 thread pitch. So from here, this will thread into that union. So at this point, we're now adapting it to AN4. Now that we've gotten this far, it's time to address fitting this into the actual slave cylinder. So under these circumstances, I needed the same adapter. This is another AN4 to a M12 by 1.0 thread pitch. So I'll start with, here's a clearancing issue. If you can look at this where I've cut it, the depth of threads on the AN fitting or the adapter fitting weren't enough to completely make a seat on the inside. So I clearanced it by taking a few millimeters off. So when we thread that fully in there, you can see it bottoms out and we have space. Now from here, right back to the AN fitting. Now tighten these all down and you're good to go. However, I know everyone's circumstances are different, so my stated braided line is 24 inches. You can get these in multiple different lengths. This is what worked best for my application, as well as these adapter fittings. I have this one here I mistakenly ordered. It's the same thing, looks great, looks fine. It's an AN4 fitting, but my problem is I ordered a different thread pitch, if you can see that. That is an AM4 by M12 by 1.25, so the threading wouldn't fit. I can't use this one. And as things vary, you can also get these fittings and banjo fittings in various different sizes as well. So basically you're hooking up a Lego system of what will put your parts together that you need. So another thing to look out for, this is what really got me. Everything in an M12 was a bubble fitting. I need the double flared. You can see the bubble fitting was not going to work for what I have. So I have a double flare inside my master, and my hard line was also set up for a double flare. So this is where this came in handy. And like I said, the link will be in the description for this union, AN fitting, AN line, as well as this fitting. There it is, guys. Simple fix to a big problem. All the parts I used in this video are in the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'm going to bleed this system now.